Oh, there it is. Oh, let's go. Alright, so it looks like the tide is going down. We're still gonna leave on the 3/8 ounce. That's like the sweet spot for me, whether it's low tide, high tide, especially like when you're shore pounding. It's really that sweet spot of a weight. Your lead head is the weight for those of you who don't know. So you don't have to add an additional weight if you have your lead head on there. So use the lead head as the weight. Then you want to try different methods with the swim bait. You want to slow roll it in. You want to retrieve it in, maybe a little faster sometimes. And then you can do the stop and go method, where you reel in slow, you pause, reel in slow and pause. Just try out different methods while you're out here until you figure out the cadence pretty much. Spotties are aggressive, they're predators. Um, so if they're ready to bite, they're just gonna go for it. There are other fish in this area. There's halibut. Every now and then there's a sand bass, calico randomly, but mostly spotties and halibuts. And then there's some stripers in here too. I saw them the other day. They were really shallow. Oh, we're stuck. Gotta get out of that grass. Get the grass off. And for the swim bait, we have the Biwa on. That was the ticket the other day when we were fishing in Long Beach. So we're gonna see if that's the ticket out here in Huntington Beach. And then if not, we're gonna switch to HD baits, which is my absolute go-to. I don't stay in one spot too long. I probably stay in each spot probably like 15 minutes. And then I start to move down. Alright, let's move down some and get this show on the road. Now, we're gonna make sure that we head out before that sun completely sets and those mosquitoes come out. So this is the Orange Crush from HD Baits. HD Baits is definitely one of my top swim baits, if not the top swim bait. For me, I have them dialed in, man. But they got Orange Crush, Ice Baby, Rotten Banana, Purple Rain. If you haven't checked them out, go to the website hdbaits.com. But yeah. So let's see. I got 3 different colors with me. Right now I have on the Orange Crush. I also have Rotten Banana in my pocket and Ice Baby. So we'll alternate and see which one these spotties are going after. And hopefully the bite turns on in general. Usually by sunset, but I really don't want to stay that long because I'm still recovering from all those mosquito bites from a week or 2 ago. Maybe it's been a week, but who wants to deal with that? If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you guys. Oh, well, there it is. Oh, let's go. That's the orange crush. That's the orange crush. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh, we got all this grass. Oh, man. Sorry, buddy. We got a fish, guys. We got a fish on the HD base. I just put the HD base on there, as you guys saw. And that orange crush. Let's give it a quick measure. He's gonna wiggle. A quick measure. That's a 13 and a half, guys. 13 and a half, solid fish. There we go. There it is right there. 3/8 ounce Viking head, orange crush, HD baits with the iRod and the Daiwa Coastal. Let's put this down real quick. Spotted bay bass. All right, let's get them back, okay? All right, swam off like a champ. All right, guys, last cast is right here. Last cast. We're gonna call it after this. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. We are on the road to 1K. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. And until next video, guys, tight lines.